jackhammer. Hammer. Hammer. Power drill. Drill. Saw. Saw. Power drill. Power tool set. Hey guys, let's check out this really cool tool set. We've got some brand new toy tools that we want to show you. What do we have up first? Whoa, it's the adjustable wrench. Check it out, it's the color green and yellow. This top piece right here moves up and down when you adjust it. Let's see how it works. Oh, check out that blue colored screw. So you can use a lug nut and an adjustable wrench, and it fits it together just like this. Pretty awesome. We've got a really cool collection of toy tools today from our kids' tool chest. So let's take a look. We have a screw, and we have a smaller one, and we have an even smaller one. Small, medium, and large. 3 different sizes you can learn. Pretty cool. Did you know they come in 3 sizes? So let's take a look at our next tool. What do we have up next? Oh, it's the flathead screwdriver. So you use the red screwdriver. That tip right there goes inside the top of the screw. Let's see how it works. Cool, and we can adjust it and change it. Whoa, that's awesome. See that point right there? That's the part that goes into the screw. and then you turn it around to the right or the left.